Sanibona bangani. Welcome to today's lesson where we will learn about the big 5 animals in South Africa. Ngiyanimukela futhi kuleli khasi. Namhlanje sifunda ngezilwane ezinkulu kakhulu ezinamandla eziyisihlanu zaseMzansi Afrika. The big 5 are the most iconic animals in Africa. They were originally named by hunters because they were the most challenging to hunt. But today, they are protected and admired for their beauty. They are known for their strength, aggression, and ability to defend themselves. They are the largest and most powerful land animals in the whole of Africa. Today, the big 5 are a major part of South African tourism and conservation efforts. Did you know that these animals are so important that they are printed on our South African bank notes? Stay tuned to find out which animal is on which note. Also, I have a fun fact to share at the end. Elephant is indlovu, indlovu, and it means the one who tramples. Elephant is the largest land animal. It's intelligent and very emotional. It also symbolizes wisdom and leadership. Leopard, ingwe, ingwe. Leopard is stealthy and strong. It's known for its beautiful spotted coat. It symbolizes power, independence, and mystery. Its skin makes such beautiful garments for Zulu traditional wear, such as imbatha nomqhele for men. Rhino, ubhejane, ubhejane. Rhino is thick-skinned, powerful, and nearly blind, but very strong. It symbolizes protection and survival. They are keystone species, mega herbivores, that helps shape an entire ecosystem around them. Also, by wallowing in mud puddles, they help create waterholes and keep existing waterholes open. Lion is ibhubesi, ibhubesi, and some refer to it as ingonyama. It is the king of the jungle, known for pride and bravery. It represents strength, leadership, and royalty. Buffalo is inyathi, inyathi. It's strong and resilient, and they normally travel in herds for protection. Inyathi represents unity and community strength. Now, which big 5 animal is on the 200 rand note? Please answer in the comments below. Let's see who's gonna guess it right. You got it right. It's a leopard, ingwe. Now this brings us to the next topic of finding out which big 5 animal is on which South African bank note. Leopard, ingwe, is on the 200 rand note. The buffalo, Inyathi, is on the 100 Rand note. The lion, Ibhubesi, Ingonyama, is on the 50 Rands note. The elephant, Indlovu, is on the 20 Rands note. The rhino, Ubhejane, is on the 10 Rands note. Quick recap. Which of these 5 is called the king of the jungle and why? Of course, you got it right. It's the lion, Ibhubesi, Ingonyama. And here are the reasons why it's the king of the jungle. As already mentioned before, it symbolizes power and authority. Lions are dominant predators, feared and respected by other animals. They are strong hunters and they are often the ones who are able to take down larger prey. Lions live in prides with a clear leadership hierarchy, similar to how kings rule over their people, which is another reason why mostly our Zulu kings are called Ingonyama. Their roar is very commanding. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away, symbolizing its dominance over its territory. Now, let's do the animal names in Zulu again. A lion is Ibhubesi. An elephant is Indlovu. A leopard is Ingwe. A rhino is Ubhejane. And lastly, buffalo is Inyathi. Fun fact. Did you know that elephants can recognize themselves in the mirror? Also, elephants are the largest land animals, weighing up to 6,000 kilograms. They can carry up to 9,000 kgs, and that's like lifting 130 humans at once. It also has a very powerful trunk that can lift trees, break branches, and even flip cars. It has thick skin, about 2.5 centimeters thick, which acts as an armor, making it difficult for predators to harm them. Before I end this video, I'm gonna leave you with this Zulu proverb that says, Ingwe idla ngamabala. Let me know in the comments if you know what it means. If not, also let me know in the comments and I can tell you or explain to you what this proverb means. We have come to the end of our video. Thank you for watching, and let's protect these incredible animals so that future generations can see them in the wild, not just on our banknotes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comments, and also share this video so that other people will know about the Big Five.